everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bella, you want to say hi? Come here. This is Bella. He wants to say hi. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been just kind of too busy with my schoolwork and work. Some of you know that I am currently attending law school. So I am 2L right now, plus I work at the same time. So I've been really just busy with schoolwork and work, so I haven't really had a chance to film anything recently. But I recently ordered this bag. So I figured I'll just unbox with you guys and then sort of go over what the bag looks like. So here we go. I mean, I already cut it open. So it's from Net-a-Porter. So here's the return label and then the receipt. I ordered this bag because, okay, here we go. Let me just show you the box and how it came in. So I requested gift wrapping box. That's why they send it in Net-a-Porter box. Otherwise, it would just be like the bag in this cardboard box. So I requested this box. Anyway, so I ordered this bag because you guys probably know that the crystal bag from Prada is super popular, and it's really hard to get. And I do like the look of that bag. All the crystals make it like all sparkly and like looks so pretty. So I do like that bag. Oh, I can't get the box out of this. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. So anyway, I like that bag, but I do not like how the crystals are secured on that bag. So I'll insert a photo like here or something. So that Prada bag, it's really pretty, but crystals are glued on. There's no prong securing each crystals. So I do not like how the crystals are glued onto the bag, because like if they fall off, then like it's basically ruins the bag, I feel like. So I was kind of like browsing the internet one night, looking for an alternative, and I came across this bag, Alexander Wang bag. So let's open this together. Oh, so I came across this bag. Look how sparkly it is. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but this one, I like it because the crystals are not glued onto the bag. Rather, they are secured with 4 prongs. So you can see these individual prongs, like each crystals have 4 prongs securing the crystal. So I do like that, but it's really small, a lot smaller than I expected. So here's my hand. You can see how small the bag is. So I don't think a lot is going to fit into this. And I thought it was supposed to come with a chain strap, but it didn't. It just came as this. So it says Alexander Wang here. These top handles are not removable. I mean, the description said it was shoulder bag, but honestly this is really too small to be a shoulder bag. I mean, I could put it on my shoulder, but it's like right under my armpit, so I don't think it will be comfortable to wear this as a shoulder bag. This is just gonna be a top handle bag. Let's look at the inside. Oh, the opening is quite small. It has that Alexander Wang print there, and oh, this is a card slot. So I guess You could put in some card in there if you want to. And then this. Okay, so it comes with a few loose crystals in case some of them falls off. So that's good. It's really sparkly. It's kind of hard to show in camera how sparkly the bag is. It's going to sparkle a lot, especially in the sunlight. So it's really pretty, but my concern is that the bag is too small. It's much smaller than I expected. So let's see what fits in here. So I'm currently carrying my Louis Vuitton Rivera bag. This is Rivera Mini. So I'm gonna take things out from my my purse and try to fit in here. I'm gonna take this out for now. I have a feeling that I'm probably not going to keep this bag because it's too small, and even though it's really pretty, I can't think of a lot of occasions where I can use this bag. So it's probably going to be like holiday only bag or something like that. And I just kind of feel like it's not really worth to keep this if I'm gonna use like once a year or something. So I don't know, I'm kind of debating whether I want to keep this bag or not. But anyway, let's try to see what fits in here. So I have my purse, my wallet that fit vertically. It fits vertically like so. And then my 6 key holder. That's all it could fit. So if I put this in vertically, it's kind of getting in the way of the zipper here. So I'm probably gonna have a hard time closing it. So it can't really stay like this. I have to put it down horizontally. So I was trying to put it in like this, but the zipper is kind of in the way. So this is kind of in the way of the zipper. So I need to put it this way. But if I do that, okay. And my wallet is this way. So you kind of have to play Tetris here. Okay. My wallet might still be in the way for the zipper to close. Oh, okay, for now it can close. But let's see what else I can fit in here. Some napkins. Okay. And then AirPods. Lip balm. And my lotion, I don't think it's gonna fit in there. So lotion is not gonna fit, too big for this tiny bag. So I think that's all for this bag. And let's see if I can close this. No, it doesn't want to close because of my wallet is standing vertically here. So it doesn't want to close with all these other things. Oh. Whoops. Okay, so I think I have to play Tetris to fit other things. So I'm gonna lay my wallet down this way. So both my 6 key holder and my wallet are laying down horizontally, not vertically. So they're all on the bottom here. And then I can put in my tissue. So you can see, I don't know if you can see my wallet and my 6 key holder on the bottom there. And then I'm gonna put in my tissue and then my lip balm and then my AirPod. Now will that close? Okay, so that's better. So you do have to play a little bit of a Tetris. So I mean, I really like it and it's just really gorgeous. I can't really show how sparkly this is in camera, but it's really pretty. However, as I mentioned earlier, I don't know how often I'm going to use this, and I really feel like it's not worth keeping it if I'm going to use it only for the holidays, like once a year during Christmas holiday parties or something like that. And I'm not type of person who go to like bars and stuff. I don't go clubbing, I don't go to bars. I don't really do that, so I'm not type of person. So I don't think I'll get a lot of use out of this bag. So I don't know. What do you think? Should I keep it or should I return it? It is really pretty though. Very small. So it doesn't really have high functionality because of this small size. It's not really practical, to be honest with you, I don't think. So I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or not. The quality wise, I think it's really well made, and I really like the fact that the crystals are secured with prongs. So I really like that. Oops, sorry. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing of this gorgeous little bag from Alexander Wang. And if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.